Secret agent man, secret agent man. They've given you a number and they've taken away your name. That guy. I was talking about him.
Oh, that guy. What about that guy?
I don't like his face.
Why not?
Because he reminds me of J. Edgar Hoover.
Who? Him?
As in bird, Edgar Hoover. J. Edgar Hoover.
Oh!
What in the hell is J. Edgar Hoover doing in a giant bunny costume?
Ah, Hickey, it's little Johnny Hoover. Nancy Hoover, you mean?
Remember me with the gun?
You gonna turn us in?
Not if you leave here right this minute.
You're just letting us go?
Yeah, seems like you two got enough problems already. Lady, you want to be a gangster? Go ahead! Stop nagging him. This is the 1930s. Women got just as much right as any man. And you should live your dream no matter how crazy it sounds to anybody else. But start small, like maybe community theater. See how you like it. Now get on out of here before I change my mind.
They can see us? Who's out
I
there?
don't know.
Maybe it's them.
Who?
The ones we're watching.
We're not watching anyone.
The ones we're supposed to be watching.
There is nobody over
There
there.
has to be. They're watching us.
That doesn't even make
I'm
sense.
playing Mommy and Daddy.
Oh.
I'm playing cops and robbers.
Oh.
I'm in disguise.
Oh.
Can't let the pinheads recognize me.
Gracious, no.
There are pinheads everywhere.
I feel like somebody's watching me.
They have no privacy.
Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me.
No, it's Johnny Hoover G.
So now, I want to join the team on the International Space Station. I want to make my country proud. I want to be a patriot.
Isn't that wonderful? Can you do the moonwalk, Randall? Can you do the moonwalk? I just love that. Oh my, what sweet little drinks.
3.3 ounces or less.
Why don't you sit down, honey?
They'd be expecting me.
Cheers.